So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. It's ultra low NOx. Your model number and serial number are right here, URG240T6N. And serial number, you can go to bradfordwhite.com, register this, and they'll get your warranty going on the product. Starting to top, we've been out here a couple years back and replaced a valve and a supply line and capped off a dripping drain valve. But water heater finally gave up, 15 years old, so came back in. Even though we had a quarter-turn valve on installed, it was hard to operate, so we just replaced it. That's a Watts 3/4 inch full port quarter-turn valve. So just quarter turn on. Yeah, I don't want to burn my arm on the exhaust, so quarter turn off and then quarter turn on. Really easy to function. Back here, this is already in place. You can see there's a soldered on adapter, and whoever put on that ground clamp, they squished the copper. That's not us. So if that ever goes bad, you know, you'll get some problems with that, and then we'll have to go back into the wall and cut it open and get you a new piece of copper stubbed out. So hopefully that's not the case. But whenever you're doing wiring, you don't want to torque on a soft copper metal like that. It's only type M. Type L might be a little bit better. Type K, definitely you couldn't squish it, but there's no reason to clamp it that tight. But that's not our issue. So anyways, ball valve, brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. And then over here, already adapter was already on, so Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. Brand new piece of vent pipe up to a dual wall B vent going to the roof. So just about a 24, 25 inch piece of single wall down to the draft diverter. Relief valves included with the product. Little nipple here, another Falcon stainless steel connector over to the relief line, which dumps out in the flower bed on the side yard. Upper third, we've got an adjustable strap. Lower third, we've got an adjustable strap. And then, of course, the home, I believe, is built in 93, right around there. So we replaced the gas valve as well. You know, it's still functioning, but it's a $5 item. You know, why not replace it? So brand new gas valve, brand new supply line. And then, of course, over here, you can see the burner is set to hot. In theory, that's 120 degrees. You could certainly go lower if you'd like. If you adjust this higher, then you run the risk of scalding, which is boldly printed right there next to the controller. If you're having trouble in your home at a shower or a single handle faucet that has a cartridge in it, a tub shower cartridge or a shower cartridge, single handle faucet cartridge, something going on, the rest of the house is hot, but you're having trouble in one area, call us. It's going to be a cartridge replacement. Don't come out here and turn this water heater up. So 120 is plenty for anybody, unless you're my wife, then she likes 140. So A130, B140, C150, very hot, 160. Right here, 30 degree burn, 30 seconds. If you're an infant, 1 second, you're going to the hospital. So just be cautious of that. Anyways, everything is good out here. Outside of that, the installation is done.